Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a little bit of a laid back day and spending a cozy day inside. We had a snowstorm last weekend and the temperatures where I live are crazy low. Everything is iced over and it's like an ice skating rink outside. And I'm not going outside unless I absolutely need to. Minus today, I did sneak outside for a minute to look at some new decor that I do need your help with. But anyways, today I'm going to slow cook a pot of vegetable beef stew for dinner. I love cooking things like this when it's cold. I am all about the comfort food this time of year. I'm also going to tidy up a little bit around the house and make a fire and just catch up on some laundry. I have literally been doing laundry every single day since the storm came because I am so afraid of losing power and I really don't want to get stuck with a mountain of laundry to do. And we are supposed to get another snowstorm this weekend. The forecast keeps changing, so I don't really know what to expect. I just cannot wait for spring to get here because I am so over this cold. So back to decor talk. I'm getting a little tired of my kitchen counter decor. I want to change up some things a little bit, maybe move some things around, add some new decor and maybe some pops of color here and there. What I really want to do is make a prettier coffee area since we're really big coffee drinkers. I've gotten a few new items that I'm hoarding for the makeover, but I'm still playing around with some ideas and need to shop a little bit more. So stay tuned for a kitchen counter decor makeover video because I'll definitely be doing that soon. There's still so much that I want to do around this house. It takes me forever to get new decor because I'm so indecisive and picky when it comes to stuff like that. And sometimes I know exactly what I want to do, but I can't ever find exactly what I'm looking for. So my struggle to decorate sometimes is real. Y'all, I am really hitting y'all up with some decor talk today. So leave it to me to be buying outdoor decor already in the middle of winter. It's honestly the only thing that's getting me through these winter months right now. It's giving me something to look forward to for when the weather gets nicer. So I redid my back deck like a year ago, and I posted a few videos on that if you want to see what I did. And even though I love it, it just seems a little bit too neutral to me. Every single time I walk on the deck, it just screams the color brown all over, and I'm just over it. Obviously, I'm going to get some plants to green it up, but I want to add some color. I already got some pillow covers that I love, and now I'm trying to find a new rug I like. And like I said earlier, I am so indecisive when it comes to picking out decor. So that's why I'm shopping now. So I'll have everything to redecorate my back deck when I'm ready. If I wait to shop for it all in the springtime, then I'll keep putting it off. And the next thing I know, it's going to be winter again. Plus, it's easier to just go ahead and stretch out the shopping spree instead of buying everything all at once because it's easier on the wallet. I'm trying to figure out whether I like this rug or not. I was going for a boho vintage look for a rug, so y'all let me know what you think. So I got to catch up on my show while my boys are taking a nap. My favorite show ever. Oh my gosh, it's Southern Charm. Do I have any YouTube friends who watch this? I've been dedicated since season 1. I absolutely love Charleston, South Carolina, where this show is filmed. If I could choose a place to move, it would definitely be there. This stew has been slow cooking all day, and y'all, the house smells so good. I always add cooked noodles and potatoes at the end when it's done, and I'm gonna pair it with Texas Roadhouse rolls and their signature butter. If you know, you know. I'm a bread girly, and these rolls will always be in my dinner rotation at my house. Y'all, thanks so much for spending the day with me. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing a little more than just cleaning this time. Let me know if you like these types of videos, and I will definitely make more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.